There's a way that the government is paying people to modernize their house this year. And the crazy thing is there's a 30% tax rebate available until 2027. Homeownership has been tough lately. With the rising costs of homes, interest rates, and things like insurance, not to mention the average home in America is 30 years old, any home buyer in the market today has to be really smart about their purchase. One of the biggest costs when buying a home is not what you might think. In states like California, electricity costs have been astronomical. And for many parts of California, that cost just went up in January by 20 to 30%. And one of the craziest things is it's going to go up every year going forward. And if you pull up PG&E's website, you will see their schedule of raising electricity costs every year going forward. But right now, there's a way you can modernize your home, increase your home's value, and cut your utility costs. Most people in California know they need solar. But until recently, the loans that have been available or some of the leases just didn't make sense for most homeowners. Thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act, you're able to now get solar, a battery backup system, and in many cases, a new roof for the home you live in, or if you're buying a house, you can include it in the purchase. And the best part is, for many people, there's a 30% dollar-for-dollar tax credit available until 2027. See my caption below for more information.